sa Recto, Divisoria. I think yesterday I talked to Vice Mayor Chi Atienza at mga kusihan na today kung po pwede on their inaugural session, after that kung po pwede ipasa sila sa lalong madaling panahon ng mga bata natin, yung mga malalaki pang masamang epekto ng pagtambak ng basura. And as we all know yesterday, bumitaw na yung dalawang contractor o rolling contractor ng basura ng syudad, and we cannot take it sitting down. Hindi na makakayanin ng DPS at MMDA lang ang rolling ng basura, and that will kakalat na kakalat. In fact, Marisa, since yesterday at 2 p.m. up to 12 midnight kagabi, umabot na ang UNED, DPS at MLDA na humigit kumulang ng 1 day volume ng syudad ng Maynila. But there is still a lot since last night up to 1 a.m. Nag-itong pa ako katulad sa Rizal Avenue, Avenida, Hermosa, Juan Luna at iba't ibang bahagi ng Sampaloc, Santa Ana. Marami pa mga tumpukan na basura. So we will continue, and it has to be today, hopefully, with the help of the leadership of Vice Mayor Chi Atienza in the City Council. Well, let's do this in a simple mathematics. Kung halimbawa, 4 na araw, o 3 araw, o 1 linggo, hindi nakukuha, at nag-average tayo ng 2,000 to 2,500 metric ton every day. So just imagine if we only collected yesterday about 2,500, meron tayong lag na about 5,000 metric ton ng basura na nasa kalsada pa. Plus, of course, the daily production of garbage sa mga household, no? Araw-araw yan. So, more or less, kayawan Diyos with the effort of MMDA, DPS, and Hawkers, MTPB, Engineering, at of course yung UNEL na napag-usapan natin. Maglalas pa to ng mga 3 to 5 days para mag-normalize yung garbage collection system. So we are hoping before the end of the week, the garbage crisis will be done or finished by Saturday, hopefully. Well, that's the list of our problem now. We wanted to act based on facts. They stop, we need to collect. May problemang mangyayari at may dulot na masama sa kalusugan ng taong bayan. Yun ang immediate concern namin ngayon. Now, whoever is responsible, whether former officials or members of the former administration, saka ko na yun na bibigyan ng panahon. Ngayon, ang mahalaga muna yung kaligtasan ng mga bata at kaligtasan ng mga matatanda, kaligtasan ng may mga sakit dahil yung sani ay basura at masamang epekto ito sa kalusugan nila. So, tao muna, Maris, and we'll talk about it later, but for the meantime, we'll focus on the problem, which is the garbage crisis. But yes, later on. Well, it's the other way around. No? I called yesterday. Sabi ko, boy, Lionel, for old time's sake, baka naman pwedeng tulungan nyo kami. Eh, nakuha naman natin ang TY. But again, you are right with your question that we have to put things in right order, legally and technically. So we will do the process, and we need to pass or resolution or ordinances kung kinakailangan para legal lahat at tama, para mas matibay at mas matatag at saka epektibo yung magiging pagpasok ng pamahalaan ng kontrata sa mga kanyang serbisyong kinukuha para sa tao. So we will follow all the necessary rules ng ating procurement or services na kinukuha. Mamaya, Maris, no? If I'm not asking too much, I will state the city situation financially may mga alas dos. And you are right again, almost 950 million pesos na ang bayarin sa basura pa lang. Mind you, 950 million sa basura pa lang. Eh, siyempre, pangalawang araw ko to, maririkis ako pa maya-maya yung iba pang mga bayarin. Pero, hindi naman para tayo magturo ng daliri sa mukha ng ibang tao. Kaya lang, kailangan malaman ng taong bayan ano ang nangyari at ano ang sitwasyon. But for the meantime, let me assure the people of Manila all the things that is needed, especially those basic things, we will address it. And this recurring existing fiscal problem or pananalapi ng lungsod, malaking problema yan, totoo po. But we will not stop to find ways. That is an assurance to our viewers in the city of Manila. Now, to those businessmen who entered into contract, delivered services and goods in the city of Manila, which we owe you so much. Alam mo, Maris, ang tansya namin kulang-kulang 11 billion na to na bayarin. Pero ayoko lang pangunahan, let me state that factually later. But as a matter of assurance to them, babayaran kayo ng lungsod ng Maynila. Pumanatag kayo, hindi nga lang biglaan. But we will find ways. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
Masaya pa kayo. Tulungan nyo kami Bantayan nyo sila para pag may mga tulongges. Malalaman ko agad. Sa vlog nyo pala makikita ko na.
Ayan o. Boss.
Boss.
Tulungan nyo sila.
Yes, sir. Nakakasa ka po. Grabe, makatingin sa tayo.